Hi, I'm Tom Fulton. I'm directing Heisenberg, play at the Ensemble Theater, which is opening on May 9th. And boy, I didn't really realize until I started working on it what a remarkable play it was. I loved it in the beginning, but I think what got me is not so much that it was a two-hander and that it was a wonderful sort of love story, but it was so unflinchingly honest. And we have two actors here who are unflinchingly honest. And I guarantee you that if you come to see this thing, you will leave after having been unflinchingly, honestly played to.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Grover, and I am excited to be playing Alex Priest in Heisenberg at Ensemble Theater, May 9th through May 25th. I'm excited because this play is challenging and challenging and challenging, and it isn't what seems in the words, it's what's going on in between the words. And we talk about that, and the notes and everything else. Tom Fulton and Celeste really collaborated to bring this to the stage with Ian, and I'm excited about sharing it with this wonderful playmate of mine, Laura. And I think you're going to see a April, September, or July, December romance. I'm not sure, but maybe you'll have to be the judge, or will you? Come and see us. I can't wait to share it.
Hi, I'm Katie Simone Atkinson, and I am the costume designer for Heisenberg. Celeste asked me to come on board and do some design work, and I was super excited because I do love a two-hander, and I love exploring relationships between characters on stage through the lens of clothing. So I'm hoping that, maybe somebody somewhere will pick up what I'm putting down. I liked playing with texture and color and how these two characters get closer and closer and stretch further apart, and we'll see how their relationship evolves. So.
Hi, I am Laura Milcarrick, and I'm playing Georgie Burns in Heisenberg. And the thing I think I'm most excited about is how challenging this piece is. First of all, I've never been in a two-hander, and it took me a minute to realize that, but I think that that's really cool. I've wanted to work with Tom Fulton for a few years, and of course I love ensemble, and I always want to work for ensemble, so I hope that you come and see it. It is an exciting, quirky, but very moving and funny play at the same time.